let's begin with our project. That's HealthCare-System. Here you can see our interface. Let us begin with our project details and the hardware introductions. This is our temperature sensors. This is a group temperature sensor, which is meant to measure the temperature of the human body, that's patient. And this is another key component, that is our pulse sensor. It is TCRT 1000. You can check over here. And this is the circuit board connecting TCRT 1000 with the Galileo Gen 2. So that this is an amplifier, so that we can amplify the power voltage given to the sensor, as the power will be low given by the Galileo Gen 2. And now these are the connection. As you can see, this is the groove boards, and this is a LAN cable connected so that it's get connected to the network. And this is the USB cable, so that we can connect this Galileo Gen 2 with the system. Now let's go with the circuit diagram of the pulse sensor. This is a circuit diagram of the pulse sensor. As you have seen in the board, this is the circuit diagram. This is the TCRT 1000. This is our pulse sensor, and these are the output, and this is the input. These are the resistors, so that we can amplify it properly. And now let's go to the implementation part of the code. This is our code, which connects to the network and sends the data, temperature and the server values to the network, and we can access the values on the net through the IP address of our laptop. This is the temperature sensors and the heartbeat sensor, which will be varying every 10 seconds. Right now we are recording it properly, so that it will be monitored. See, you can see over here, it will be reloading every 2 seconds. Right now we are kept for 2 seconds. It might be changed, varied for 10 to 5 seconds. Later now you can see the database connected, this values to connected to our main website. This is our main website. This is our website, which is going to analyze the data saved by the Python script. This is a script which will enable us to connect to the net and the website and send the mails to the respective doctors and the nurses. Here we are given our dummy values. You can give any variables later. Now if you run, before running this, we have to run the Arduino code. This is the code for running. Just transfer it. Now the code is getting compiled and uploaded. That's done. And now you have to run this Python script. Python script will enable us to save the data into the database table, which we have maintained locally. As you can see here, this is the temperature, this is the pulse variations. This is getting updated every time. Now we will see it in the local database server. This is our local database server, temperature and pulse variation. First few are the dummy variables. Later on we got the original values. This is the data analyzed from yesterday by varying our temperature pulse. Now these are the tables we have. This is the doctor's table. This is the table we gave. This is the email ID, which will be sent an alert if a temperature variation happens. This is the guardians. Even guardians will receive a mail ID on their mail ID, emails on their mail IDs. These are the patients. As you can see, these are the dummy patients' names we have given. Now let's go to the analyzing part, our main website. This is our main website. Here this is the main, our logo. Now we can see the graphs of the patients. This is the graph. If you click graph over here temperature variations graph. Here you can see temperature variations. Whenever temperature goes above threshold value, a mail will be sent to us. You can see our mail. I am your doctor mails. This is the mail ID, temperature emergency. Now coming back to the pulse sensors. Whenever variations in pulse happens, whenever variation in heartbeat happens, again a mail will be sent to it. Here we can even analyze the data manually. This is the data which we are showing it on the website. This is the data, temperature data. This is the pulse variations data.
Can be accessed anywhere from the web.
Yeah, it can be accessed anywhere from the LAN services. Now let's go and check out the working of this. Yeah, you can see over here it's getting updated every time. Now if I close this, the project is completed, and now we can see the data completely. Here is the data you can see over here. So these are the data getting updated every second, and this is our local database. This is our local database. This is our website, and thus our implementation is over.